Also, I would like to invite you, if you're looking to reach more readers, if you're looking for new ways to promote and market your book, I invite you guys to join us on the Authors in Business Tour of 2020. I would love for you guys to join us, where we move together, work as one on our Authors in Business National Book Tour. This is a great opportunity for each and every one of you. We cannot do things the traditional way anymore. We definitely have to get creative. But you can connect with other people who already have those tribes, communities, networks, and other new readers, strangers, and also influencers by doing book clubs. If you surround what people, when we talk about movement and branding, what a lot of authors are mistaken of is that they don't create, not necessarily community, but they don't look outside of the box. A lot of authors make this mistake of thinking they're going to be in bookstores, they're going to sell it from their website and sell it from big businesses or corporations of their books on different platforms. But when you are a self-published author or indie author, you are forced to be creative because you don't have this big traditional publishing company behind you. And so with that being said, you cannot forget about the book clubs. You cannot forget about creating your own book club. You can create your own book club online with a Facebook group where people are coming in your group for free, and you guys are reading a chapter every month or going through one of your instructional materials. Maybe it's a part of your journal, and that's how you encourage them to engage inside of your group or that book club. And guess what? In order for them to be a part of your free book club, they have to purchase a book, which in turn increases your book sales. Also, don't forget, you can literally Google, other book clubs in your area to have them read your book that month together and discuss it. And a lot of times when you see book clubs, they rarely get a chance to meet the author. So at a particular book club, you can make it as a meet and greet. You can make it a big ordeal at these book club events. Also, don't forget, this is how Avon made it. This is how the great rap made it too as well, is by going from home to home to home to home. So you will use the same mindset of marketing and promoting like it's a Tupperware party. The only thing you're changing is the product. Instead of Tupperware, it's your book. So you have to get creative. So again, I'm going to repeat this quote, that a wise man learns from other people's mistakes, but a fool learns from their own. Do not make these 5 mistakes that I mentioned before. I'm telling you, if you listen to the solutions that I give you from each mistake, I don't just tell you what you're doing wrong. I gave a solution for each mistake that I gave you guys today. So take those solutions, take what you need that applies to you in your business, and I want to see you thrive. Let me know in the comments, what mistakes have you seen other authors make? What mistakes have you made, and how did you learn from those mistakes? Let me know in the comments, because we learn from each other. So remember, we're in this together. We move as one. No author is left behind. So I don't want you guys to feel like I beat you up at the end of this video, but that it was very rewarding for you to definitely go to the next level and to kind of re-look at the methods that you may have been using in the past and also in the future.
So I saw this book on Amazon.com, the Desiree Lee Story, Inmate 1142980. And I read the reviews, and I had to purchase my own copy. It's just such an inspirational story.
A high school student on her way to college in pursuit of the American dream. 2 weeks after graduation, her dream was no longer an option. Visit www.amazon.com and purchase your copy today.